Hey everyone, welcome to Polar Bear in the Otter Stories. Today we have another episode of Conversational English. This time we're doing an act of a typical dining experience. Stay
Okay,
tuned.
stay tuned. Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. Can I start you off with a drink?
Sure, could I get a glass of water, please?
Okay, great. I'll get your drink and give you a few minutes to look over the menu.
Thank you.
Here's your water, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Have you decided on food?
Yes, could I get a cheeseburger with a side of French fries?
Got it. Cheeseburger with a size of French fries. Anything else?
No, that's all I have. I'm kind of on this diet. I shouldn't eat too much.
Ooh, all right. I'll bring your order in about 10 minutes. Here's your food, sir.
Oh,
Enjoy your
thank you
meal.
so much.
Excuse me, sir. Is there anything else I could get you for today?
Oh, yes. Could I get apple pie?
Yeah, sure. I will get it for you. Just give me 5 minutes, okay?
Thank you.
Here's your apple pie.
Oh, thank you. Could I get a check, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you take cash or credit card?
We accept credit card.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.